Hello, second graders and families. This is a quick tutorial on how to navigate through Google Classroom. When you sign on to CNUSD, this is something similar you will see, but in the student format. You're going to come here to the left-hand side. Mine is Teacher Resources. Yours, I believe, will say Pre-K through 5th. Mine has a green background. Yours will have a purple background. Remember, this is in alphabetical order, A, B, C, so you want to go down to G. Google Suite, the same thing as Google Classroom. Now you're going to see me, I'm connected to different classes, but you're going to look for My Classroom. You're going to look for Mr. Salmeron's class. Mr. Salmeron's class right here. And this is where I'll give announcements, probably upload some resources and stuff. These are some things that I uploaded earlier this year. I have an announcement that'll come out tomorrow that I already scheduled. Where you're going to want to focus on is right here where it says classwork. This is where it's very important. Now we have a lot of activities and enrichment activities and learning activities for you within these next few weeks and a couple months. Right here you will find tutorial videos. It's a link to my YouTube channel. That way you're able to get the links. Weekly PowerPoint. When this is available, again, it's scheduled for tomorrow 8 a.m. The date that I scheduled it for. You have, when you click on it, it'll open it up and it'll give you the instructions. Please review week 1 with a family member or someone in your home. So you'll open it and review that PowerPoint. You also have social emotional learning activities. They're all pretty short. For example, this one here, go ahead and click on that and the instructions tell you what to do. Language arts, this one says please go to Benchmark. You guys know how to navigate Benchmark. If you don't, I put a link in to help you with that. Here's some vocabulary activities as well to do a Frere model. You guys remember how to do that, so I didn't put a tutorial for that. And spelling, so you're going to go down here and anything that has an assignment that's scheduled, it'll be available for you. You will go ahead and click on it and it will give you some instructions. And on a lot of them I put the tutorial video next to it because some of these, even though it's not the first time you've done them, it's the first time you've done them on the computer. So make sure you take time to go through them. I also have activities for PE. I have a tutorial video for you and electives. So you're going to have fun. I know you're going to learn a lot of new things, but at the same time it might be challenging navigating through a new system. Don't get overwhelmed. You can message me. I'm here to help you. I'm here to serve you. Feel free to bug me and utilize my links. Again, if you're not sure which one you need, go up here to resources, click on that, click on the link, and you can filter through the videos that you need. I hope this helps. Again, message me if you guys have any questions or message your teacher.